Hi everyone, we're going to talk about everything we know about quadratic functions when we don't have a graph. So the first place we want to start is by looking at our function and observing the transformation that's happened. How have we taken this quadratic and moved it? It starts at just y equals x squared, but now we've added and subtracted and we even have a negative out front. So this negative out front means we have a reflection. It means instead of making a U shape, we're going to flip it upside down, and it's going to make an upside down U. This minus 4 means we're going to go to the right 4, and the plus 5 means we went up 5. So we know our vertex is at positive 4, positive 5. If we were just to kind of sketch our quadratic, we know that the top right here, this is our vertex. We also know that it's our maximum. So our maximum is at the value 5. We also can use that maximum to determine our range because y values are going to be 5 and then everything less than that. So our range is going to be less than or equal to 5. Our domain, same as an absolute value, same as all the functions we've talked about so far, all real numbers. You can pick any x value and plug it in, doesn't matter. We also know, because it's shaped upside down, because we reflected it, we know what the ends are doing. As they go down, they're headed towards negative infinity on both sides of our graph. So our end behavior is negative infinity for both the positive x values and the negative x values. The hardest one is, of course, the interval of increase and decrease, because we need to split our graph into two different parts. On the left side here, as we look at it from negative infinity until we reach the number 4, where things start to change, what is my graphic doing? It's increasing. It's coming up the hill here. So our interval for increase is negative infinity to 4. Then, as I continue looking at my graph from left to right, I would notice that it starts to come down off the hill and descend or decrease. So our interval of decrease is from the number 4 to infinity. That's what it's doing. It's going to continue to decrease forever.